In this tutorial I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Let's subscribe my channel and get new video with every new day. Complete A to Z letter portraits videos. Follow the process. Pick image which you want to create letter portrait. Resize your image as per your requirements. Pick text tool. I'm using this font and download link in description. Select Move tool. And click on these icons to center the letter. Resize your font as per your requirements. Duplicate selection by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J. Change text layer fill option to 0%. Choose stroke and follow these settings. Change text color. Resize your image as per your requirements. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J. Select subject. Click on mask icon. Hold Ctrl+ layer thumbnail or Command+ layer thumbnail for select layer content. Click on mask icon. Remove unwanted area. Invert selection by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I or Command+Shift+I. Remove unwanted area. Change gradient color from gradient editor using color picker. Apply gradients on background layer. Apply letter shadow effect using ellipse tool. Apply filter, select Gaussian blur. Reduce opacity to 60%. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.